Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the cyberbullying detection or abuse detection using machine learning. So this will be the complete web page. Okay, and this will open the chatbot of cyberbullying detector. Cyberbullying detector project developed using Python programming language and Django framework used for the web interface. And it will show the accuracy like 98.50%, and user can enter any word and it will detect that particular word is cyberbullying or not.
Hello, how are you?
So it will listen like hello, how are you, and it will detect that particular word like neutral text. So you can just copy and paste from the data set. I'm just copy and paste here. So it will detect that severe hate speech sentence, like it will classify that particular sentence. I'm just copying that particular sentence and paste here. So it will detect that hate speech sentence. Okay, it will classify like neutral text, severe hate speech detection or hate speech detection, like that. You can copy and paste it from dataset and it will classify as neutral text. This will be the complete project, and if any doubt then you can comment in the comment section. We'll try to reply soon. If you're searching enterprise project ideas, then you can visit our website www.techieprojects.com. This will be the complete chatbot and it will classify and detect that particular cyberbullying or hate speech detection project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.